The difference between an unprofitable trader and a profitable one rarely comes down to finding a secret indicator or guessing the future perfectly. Instead, it lies in how they manage risk, emotion, and consistency. Here is how the two mindsets and behaviors contrast across the core pillars of trading. 1. Risk management. This is the single biggest divider. Unprofitable traders focus almost entirely on how much they can win, while profitable traders focus on how much they could lose. The unprofitable trader often risks a large percentage of their account on a single trade, e.g., 10% or more, hoping for a big payday. They rarely use stop losses, or worse, they move their stop loss lower when a trade goes against them, hoping it will turn around. This leads to the blown account. The profitable trader, strict about risking only a tiny fraction of their capital per trade, typically 1% to 2%. They accept that losing trades are an inevitable cost of doing business. A stop loss is set before entering the trade and is treated as non-negotiable. 2. The win rate versus risk to reward myth. New traders often think you need to be right 80 to 90% of the time to make money. Professional traders know that math says otherwise. The unprofitable trader, obsessed with a high win rate. They might win 8 out of 10 trades making small gains, but because they have no risk management, their 2 losses are so massive that they wipe out all 8 wins and then some. The profitable trader understands the risk to reward ratio, ROR. If a trader uses a 1:2 ROR, meaning they risk $100 to make $200, they only need to be right 34% of the time to break even. If they are right 50% of the time, they are highly profitable. 3. Psychological framework. Trading forces you to deal with 2 powerful emotions, fear and greed. How a trader handles them dictates their P&L, profit and loss. The unprofitable trader lets the market dictate their emotions. When the market climbs, greed takes over, and they buy at the absolute top, FOMO. When the market drops, fear freezes them, or they close out good long-term positions at a loss out of panic. If they suffer a loss, they immediately jump back into a messy trade to try and revenge trade the money back. The profitable trader treats trading like a boring business. They have a written trading plan that details exactly when to enter, when to exit, and how much to risk. They view a loss not as a personal failure, but as a statistical probability within their trading edge. If the market doesn't present their specific setup, they happily sit on their hands. 4. Strategy and consistency. The unprofitable trader suffers from strategy hopping. They try a strategy for a week, hit a few normal losing trades, decide the strategy is broken, and jump to a new YouTube tutorial or indicator. They never stay with one system long enough to understand its true win rate over a large sample size. The profitable trader masters 1 or 2 specific setups and executes them flawlessly over hundreds of trades. They track everything in a journal, knowing that consistency in execution is the only way to get consistency in returns. The takeaway: unprofitable traders trade to feel the thrill of the gamble. Profitable traders trade to execute a repeatable, data-driven system where the goal is to survive long enough for their mathematical edge to play out.